Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and many times when I'm out checking and monitoring the nest boxes, we come across ditches like this. And instead of going down the bank and trying to scramble up the other side, avoiding all the water, the best thing to do to get across the dike is just to do this with the ladder. Like that. Just make sure that there's no rock in it. Simple.
No, I'm not following.
Right.
Said, no, I'm not following. I'll end up in the ditch.
Right, so we're just on our returns today. So go up and we'll have a look, see what's inside. Right, what have we got? Yeah, we've got some. Fantastic. So when I last checked this box in early about 15th of June, she was on eggs. So yeah, that's great, is that? Right, let's get them out. Right, so it's Saturday morning, 1st of August, and we're just out on our returns. We've got 4 sites to go to today. 3 of the sites are all within a square mile of each other. So we're starting to get through the returns now. We've got quite a lot to do next weekend. We're going to be all over the place next weekend, but this morning we're all like, in a pretty, close area to each other. But this particular site, I've been coming here since around about like 93, 94. There's always been a nest box here and the owls have always done really well at this site. So yeah, there's 4 in the box. We've got 4 owlets here. And they're all in really good condition. This is a female. You see the little light speckle in there. And she's got a nice full tummy, which is really good to see. Very sleepy.
Probably quite bright as well.
Yeah, absolutely adorable. This ground's absolutely rock hard. Absolutely desperate for some rain now. Yeah, these are absolutely lovely beds are these.
Bit more wide awake, this one. Having a look around. First time it will have seen outside.
Yeah. This is a male.
Lovely.
Absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's like coming up to about 6 weeks. In another 2 to 3 weeks, all this white fluffy down will have come off the owl and it'll just resemble its parents. Beauty. That's 63 millimeters. We're just on the edge of a field here, and it's got all these like blue flowers. I ain't sure what they are, but they look absolutely fantastic. And there's loads of bees and butterflies about. Absolutely lovely is that. What?
Ah, that's a little list.
It's got the biggest belly though, look at that. Size of that. It's fantastic to see him well fed though. I ringed some owls the other night. There was 4 in the box there, and all the stomachs were empty. But they should be okay, like. But you know, it's just nice to see them with nice full stomachs. But yeah, it's just so varied with the barn owl. You know, like what stage like they're all at. You know, like we was ringing owls in our garden on the 7th of June, and now it's the 1st of August, and there's still young owls in the nest. So it's so varied, you know, the time scale. But that's also a good thing as well, because it just allows us, it gives us that time to get round all these boxes. If it was all like within a space of like a few weeks, you know, I don't think we'd be able to manage. Well, we wouldn't. That's a male, 35. You can see all these like stiff feathers here. They'll all be designed to pick up the sound. And all towards the ear. The ears just behind the ear, and they're asymmetrical. So the sound reaches the ears at slightly different times, so that they can accurately pinpoint the prey. It's just absolutely incredible. All this here, all this facial disc, it's all a sound reflector. And that's what enables them just to hear the tiniest of sounds when flying over long grass and pounce down and catch a ball. It's just absolutely incredible. It's just God's finest work is this.
Watch his pooing.
Right. Yeah, they're all really close in age. There's not much difference in them. Yeah. But this is really dark around the face.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
That's really characteristic of a female, is that when they're dark around the face. And if you can just see under the wing there, them speckles there. So yeah, it's going to be a very dark bird is this one. What a nicely fed bird. Yeah, all very close in age. It's 410 grams. 390. 420. Last but not least, 440 is that. But they're all good weight. So that's that. few more boxes to do yet. So, it's a lovely morning. So thanks for watching.